The people, what are you doing today? He's cutting what?
I'm chopping my cat off.
And where are we at?
AutoZone.
Okay, nice. So, what are you planning on purchasing?
Some sealant and some clamps.
Yo, no, I'll actually buy you this.
Hi guys, so we're trying to measure his cat size piping.
Hard at work.
Oh my god, yeah, hard at work.
He's neither. Yeah, he's fucking around.
I'm always neither.
It's not even spinning.
He's like playing fucking
Fortnite.
Tall.
Don't get run over.
So, are you very happy with this project? Yeah, we're interviewing you.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah. So we finally got the pipe. Where's the pipe? Can you show them the pipe? So guys, this is the pipe that we got at
It's the adapter over here.
what
Put this inside.
like how big?
It's like foot and a half.
What's going?
that piece of metal.
The pipe.
The metal or the pipe?
Get the pipe.
No, the pipe, please.
This one?
The pipe.
It's just water.
Still, that's disgusting.
Especially from Norse. Hey, at least it's a refresher.
No.
When you're starting. Don't you need like safety goggles?
Yeah.
You want to give me my titanium sunglasses?
Get it.
Anything? Yeah, because I don't like the angle I'm at. If it jerks back, it's gonna hit me in the throat.
The way he said it.
Whoopsies! Nah, don't push it up. Can you fit?
How do you remove a cat? I'm back-to-back how-to videos.
I hear ZF.
Someone pass me glasses. George, push up. Let's go, baby.
My God.
The O2, you have to unplug the O2.
Don't you need like a...
You think we should go get a spacer?
Wait, let's see through it. Wait, is that the side? Wait, flip it. Watch the turbine. Look at the turbine.
Did you make it right tight? Yeah.
Dude, it's
Destroyed. Not destroyed, but...
It's so... What does it look like? Just pipe?
Look, yo, we took off the O2 sensor from the other
There's
side.
stuff flying.
Dude, look, we couldn't
What?
get it all from here, so we just disconnected it from inside.
Yo, George, go get me the little tube. We bought like a little pipe.
It should...
It's by the fence on the stairs.
It's a paper with the instructions on it.
Thank you. Alright, so explain to them what you're doing, Matt.
I'm putting the exhaust wrap and the clamp from the headers. It doesn't
Wait,
tell you.
you're attaching it now?
Yeah, I'm doing this one.
Guys, so is this cold start?
No.
Ready?
Yeah.
He doesn't know how to start it.
He's not turning.
Wait.
It broke.
What was that?
What RPM is that? Just 3K. 2K. I cut it. Wait, so is that just dump?
5 hours later.
my god, you hear burbles.
Oh my god, bro.
It sounds like, it sounds like the turbo, the rally turbo from Forza.
Look, all the birds got.
Sending it.
Go. Go manual mode.
Tap the gas. Tap it. No, too much.
Wait, go higher RPM. Go like redline it.
That's so quiet.
This is cruising. It's not even hot though, that's a thing. Dude, that's scared Alright guys, so that's today's video. I didn't record an outro letting you guys know the video's over, but tomorrow's a big day because George is getting something done to his exhaust on his 340, so it's gonna be a big day tomorrow. And we might cruise, so I might get the GoPros ready and get footage for you guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.